Hi friends, I'm on the move once again, and today I'm canoeing down the Hillsborough River at Hillsborough River State Park. I was able to rent a canoe at the park, and I did a nice short but very scenic paddle down the river. Saw lots of wildlife, fish, birds, turtles, and plenty of alligators. If you ever get a chance to go canoeing here on the Hillsborough River, if you're at the state park, you gotta do it. It's so much fun. Well, I'm signing out. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please come and visit and canoe down the river. And when you do, tell them Large Marge sent you. Take care. Bye-bye.